Hello students, today we're gonna make an experiment about self-inflating balloon. Please take the materials. Prepare your activity book 2, vinegar, test tube, balloon, and 1 spoon of baking soda. Are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, we need to pour the baking soda into the balloon. You can use paper to make it like a funnel shape to help you to put the baking soda into the balloon. Pour it slowly and carefully. Okay, I'm done. This is it. Okay, now let's go to the second step. Let's fill the test tube with vinegar. Okay, do it carefully. Let's fill the test tube until half with vinegar. Okay, here it is. We are done. Next, carefully fit the balloon mouth over the test tube opening. Make sure you will not pour the baking soda into the vinegar. Yes, make it like this. Can you predict what will happen to the balloon? Let's see in the next step. Now, hold up the balloon and allow the baking soda to fall into the vinegar. Let's see what happened. Whoa, I see the bubbles in the test tube. Oh, can you see that? So many bubbles produced. Let us see closer. Oh, can you observe the bubbles? And look at the balloon. Whoa, it is inflating. See, it's getting bigger and bigger. Do you know why this happen? The reaction between the baking soda and vinegar produces gas or carbon dioxide as we see bubbles in the test tube and hence inflates the balloon. Now it's your turn, students. Make your own experiment. Good luck!